A patient had his teeth examined. After a thorough examination, he could not find anything. His teeth were intact, no dents, no swelling, everything was fine, but the patient was in a state of panic and pain, a very severe pain. The doctor did not understand the problem. He felt doubt and looked at the X-ray carefully. There were bruises on the teeth and white spots. He thought it might be a result of the reaction or the light. He told the doctor that everything was fine. You can go home and rest. When he closed the clinic in the evening, he saw some small animals in the sink. He was shocked. He removed the sink filter quickly. The filter was full of animals. He was shocked. He was shocked. He was shocked. You go home and rest. When he closed his clinic at night, he saw some small creatures in the sink. He was shocked. He quickly removed the sink filter. He saw the entire filter filled with creatures. He felt disgusted. He immediately took the filter and went into the dustbin. But when he started washing his hands with the tap on, something was lost in his mind. He immediately ran into the clinic and started zooming in again with the X-ray. What he saw now was a surprise. Those white spots were actually pimples. They were stuck in the teeth. He was shocked to see this. He had never seen anything like this before. Now he ran straight to the library. He started looking through the old books. After a long search, he found an answer from an old book. These pimples are called tooth worms. These pimples lay eggs around the teeth and slowly spread from the doctor. These pills are called tooth worms. These pills are used to take eggs around the teeth and slowly spread inside the body. They can even reach the brain. It is said that it is the result of some old scientific experiment. A stopped experiment. After that, these pills were never seen again. When the doctor read all this, he was scared. In the meantime, a call came from the hospital. His illness returned again. This time his pain was more. Now when the doctor understood the truth, he was thinking quietly for a while. Then he hit the glass and told the nurse. The hands and eyes were also hurt. This case is a little serious. But the nurse took it easily. She said, "Go inside quickly." The